Hey guys, halfclickup here, coming at you with something a little bit different for the channel. This is an unboxing video, and not your typical moto vlog type thing, right? But so, I mean, for the past several years, I've wanted a nice set of compact power tools that I could use for automotive applications. And you know, I've always had my eye on the Milwaukee stuff because Milwaukee's a great brand, excellent reviews, pretty ingenious tools, right? Very innovative company. They're always coming out with something new and awesome for multiple applications and uses. Well, so as you probably are aware, every Black Friday for a few years now, Home Depot runs the special on combo packages, right? Well, last year I noticed they had the little compact tool, the 12 volt compact power tool kit, right? And you know, I was like, that'd be awesome to have, but screw it. Well, this year I decided to pull the trigger, and I went ahead and grabbed this thing. So check it out. So this is the Milwaukee M12 kit. You see, you get 5 compact power tools, and regular price valued at $572, and that's pretty dang accurate because each of these little tools is typically like $100, y'all. So, and it even comes with a little bag, right? And the charger, 2 batteries, and the 5 tools. This was $199, y'all. Cannot beat this. $199 for a nice set of compact power tools that I'll be able to use both on the bike and the Ram. You know, I'll be able to use this on several different applications on the Cummins, and again, the motorcycle as well. So I figure what we'll do is, so this thing, it's actually sealed, right? You can see the tape. I haven't bothered opening it. I'm really excited about it. I've wanted this for a long time, and I'm really glad to finally have it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Take all this stuff out and see what we got. Dude, it's like early Christmas, right? Freaking excited, y'all. Been wanting this for a long time. Here we go. All right. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so first things first, y'all. Oh, let's make sure you guys can see. Start out. Oh, so everything appears to be already in the bag. Neato burrito. Yeah, look. That's it. It's already ready already. Check it out. I'll bet you these batteries even already have somewhat of a charge in them. What do you say? All right, so looks like you get a really nice carry bag. It's like a heavy canvas. It's not something that's just gonna rip up. Oh, let's see. All right, let's see what we got. All right. So, looking in here, what you have is everything is wrapped in individual plastic bags. Oh, nice, y'all. The little Sawzall even comes with a blade. How about it? Several blades. Looks like a couple of them. Nice. Okay. Whew. Where do we begin? All right, let's just start from one side and go to the other. Here's the charger. I mean, how nice is all this for $199, guys? 5 compact power tools, 2 batteries, charger, and a carry bag. I mean, this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be able to use this on the Ram, the Cummins, the bike, you name it. Here's our first little battery. See, here's the deal. I know Milwaukee has the fuel system, and they have the M18s. But here's the deal, guys. I know those are considered way better tools, but look at the size of this little battery. Now, the M18 is like huge, like this big. Like you can't get that in an engine compartment comfortably, right? Even underneath the vehicle, it's just not ideal compared to this compact size. And what I mean is the way it fits on the tool. So, for example, let's I mean, look at that. It's like a little pistol, dude. It's like a little Glock. It's awesome. Man, the nice ergonomic feel, right? Look, can you tell I'm a shooter? Look. Nice ergonomic feel. I mean, that is sick. So this is the little screw gun. It even has the LED light. All of these tools have the little LED lights that light up your little work area, right? So you see the footprint I was talking about. Let's get this out of the packaging. All right, this is what I'm talking about. Look, it even has a little belt clip. That's cool. So you can carry it around with you. But like, so this footprint, for example, let's see. Yeah, it's like loading a mag. Check that out. Sure enough, y'all, it comes with power already. Awesome. See that? That is sweet. But anyways, what I was talking about. Oh, look, it even has a battery indicator. Look at this. Look at that. It's got two little dots already. And notice it's variable speed. Look at my finger, my trigger. My finger on the trigger. See there? These are nice tools, y'all. But I wonder if it's got a mag release. You know what I mean? I don't. We're learning together, as always, with everything we do. Our tutorials, right? Learning together. Okay, you squeeze these little clips and it releases them. Okay, so now we know. But anyways, you see what I'm talking about, the little compact, the compact size, perfect for an engine bay, perfect for around a motorcycle. Anyways, let's move on. All right, so you get the little screw gun. Here's our other battery. This one I'm borderline most excited about. This is a power ratcheting, like, socket wrench, y'all. Battery powered socket wrench. You know what I mean? So instead of, you know, you're just like getting bolts out. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Look at that! Even this one has a frickin' light. How awesome is that? Can you hear that? It even has a slight impact mechanism to it. That's good. Now, I was wondering about that. I was wondering how good this tool would be at actually breaking bolts loose, right? Because that's the thing. It's like, well, crap. What do I do? Do I use a traditional socket wrench to break a bolt loose and then put this guy on it and get after it? But no. Look closely. See that? It's got an impact mechanism. And another thing I like about the power ratcheting wrench is that it, you know, just like a regular old socket wrench, you forward and reverse traditionally, right? Just like you would on a manual wrench. You would turn it. And also, it comes with an adapter. I did not know it came with this. So this is just awesome. You can go from 3/8 down to 1/4. Just like that. So, you know, you can use one tool for all your socket sizes. Both. 3/8 and 1/4. And it's just awesome, y'all. They really put, you know, some thought into this little kit, right? Alright, what else we got? Let's see. So, one of these is an impact driver. This is the impact driver. Yeah. This is the impact driver. So, you know, deck screws, any kind of large bolts or machine screws that need any kind of penetrating action, you have the impact gun that will help drive those in quickly. So yeah, you can picture, you know, having a deck screw, and it's like, brrr, brrr, you know? Yeah. Impact driver. Sweet. Well, let's see. Alright, so here, this thing is freaking neat. This is a freaking sawzall, y'all. A sawzall, y'all. Did you get that? Sawzall, y'all. They call it a hacksaw, and you, here we go. You know, you put your blade in there, and it's a handheld sawzall. Imagine the applications here. You can hold a 2x4 in one hand, get after it. Let's see, what's another application? Alright, exhaust. You have an exhaust project under the car, under your truck. You can get up underneath there, put a metal blade in there, just like, you know, any metal blade for any other full-size sawzall. You know, it doesn't matter. Put a metal blade on there instead of the wood blade, and you have a pipe cutter. You know, you have an exhaust pipe cutter. So you can get up underneath there. Let's see, where'd our battery go? Here it is. You know. Look at that. See that? Look at that variable speed, man. That is just awesome. Sweet. So yeah, if I decide I want to run a straight pipe on the old Cummins, yeah. Man, they sound awesome with straight pipes. Anyways. Alright, so that's been 4 things. This last thing is, you know, it's not a power tool, but handy freaking dandy. This is a 360-degree positionable LED work light. And it is magnetic. So, you can about imagine. Okay, so here's the frame of the truck. Tunk, right? Stick it on there, magnetic, and then you have a platform where you can swivel this and light up whatever you need to light up in your work area, underneath the truck, under the hood, you name it. Bam! Gah! Dude. This thing is freaking bright, you guys. Wow. Look at that. Outstanding. It's like everything Milwaukee makes is just awesome, you know? Everything they make. A lot of thought put into it, its functionality. If you look in there, that's a gigantic single Cree. See that Cree LED in there? Wow. Sweet, man. So there you go, guys. Something a little bit different for the channel. Do you want to see me? Would that be a thing? Yeah. There. Yeah, so something a little bit different for the channel. I'm excited about it. It's going to be just awesome. So you look inside the bag and, yeah, it's nothing fancy. But it doesn't need to be, right? It's not like, you're not like trying to organize sockets or anything, right? You're just trying to tote your stuff. So let's see how organized we can get this. Yep. Yeah, you just kind of as you go, man. Just as you go. Right? They're robust tools. It doesn't matter if they get knocked around. Just freaking put them in there, man. You even ride your charger in there with everything. Just like that. Yep. And of course there's plenty of room to put other stuff too. You can put bit sets in here, whatever. Little saw blades. Whatever you want to do. So yeah, there you go. Anyways, guys, this has been an unboxing of the Milwaukee Black Friday M12 5-tool kit. Again, this was $199. They run this special every year at Home Depot. So if you like what you saw here, you can pick one up next year. I don't know that the specials are still going on, but I sure as heck grabbed one while I could, finally, after all these years. Milwaukee. Alright guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. It's been Half Click Up. Peace. Goodbye.